Hi, it's time. Yeah, it's time. YouTube is giving me a chance to get your message out there. You know you have something to say. I know you have something to say. The doors are being opened for you to get the message out there. YouTube is making space for small creators to put out content. So this is your time to get your content together and get your message out there. It's not difficult. The main thing is planning. And as several creators told you, you're not pinned down to a niche right yet. Pick 2 or 3 interests that you have and the ideas that God has put on your heart. And one thing, believe it or not, if you don't know what your niche or purpose is, just think about what you could talk about and not get tired of. If you could talk about cooking and just keep on talking about it, and everybody else gets tired of hearing you talk about it, that could be your niche. Or if it's art, if you could talk about it and your friends get tired of hearing you talk about it, that could be your niche. If you love cars, that could be your niche. So, content won't be your problem. Content's not your problem. The problem is maybe fear, maybe self-confidence. But right now, go on YouTube, start your channel, do what you like to do. That's the channel. Your purpose may be to uplift someone else in their purpose, to encourage them. So, take your channel to get monetized. You just need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I'm on a 21-day challenge that I'm going to post at least once a day for the next 21 days. So I hope that you'll see me again, maybe, probably tomorrow, because I am trying to get I have my 1,000 subscribers, and thanks to everybody out there who subscribed to me. I have over 1,000. Now, I'm just working on my watch time hours. So, some of my content will be cooking, baking. I love to bake. And some of it is art, because I love the Lord with all my heart and soul. So that will be part of my content. Right now, I'm talking to you about what you could do to bring yourself up and be a content creator. You can do it. I know you can. I have no doubt. Because if I can do it, you can do it. So, start your journey with a 21-day. Start your plan. Just plan on what you like to do as far as building your content. And I'm sure you already know what you want to do. So, if I can help you, I would love to leave a comment, and hopefully we will be besties. You help me, I'll help you. We will all make it. So, I'll see you in the next video.